So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a bulk email using an email marketing software called AWeber. Okay, so I've been using AWeber as an email marketing tool for many years now. I highly recommend them. I've put together this video to demonstrate how you can send a bulk email, whether you're new to email marketing or whether you've already got AWeber and you're just not sure how to send that bulk email. I've made this video for that person. Okay, if you are somebody who's into online marketing and you are looking to find a software that sends bulk emails, autoresponders, and a very robust one at that, I highly recommend AWeber. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get a free 30-day free trial of AWeber, and that costs nothing, that's free. But in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can send that bulk email. Okay, so once you've got your account with AWeber, whether you've already got one or whether you're just new and you're looking for an email marketing system, head over to aweber.com, log into your account or create your account. Okay, so this is the first page that's going to come up. This is your dashboard. The first thing you want to do if you're new here is you want to make sure you've got a list that you're going to send the emails to. Okay, so I have made videos in the past on AWeber and how to create your very first list, but I'm going to go over it really quickly in this one. So as you can see up here in the top right hand corner, this shows the list I'm currently working on right now, and it's called Example List Tutorial. I've made this specifically just to make tutorials on AWeber. So I've created this list. Now I'm going to show you how to create a list. First of all, you want to go to Manage Lists up here. Click on that. You want to go to Create List. Click on that. So then it's going to ask you a bunch of questions, what your list is about, your company name, your company website. You're going to have to put in a street address and everything like that. And I think it's about a 3-step process before you set up your list. So just follow the steps. It's pretty straightforward. Follow the steps, and once you've created your list, what you want to do is always double check that you're making sure you're working on the list you're about to send the bulk email to. Okay, so as you can see, it's up here in the top right hand corner. I now want to send out a bulk email to let's say 100 emails addresses. By the way, if you don't have email addresses, or if you've just created your email list, you can then go ahead and add subscribers by clicking this button. Go to Add Subscribers. They give you two options where you can manually add up to 10 subscribers, or if you've got a CSV list or Excel sheet, or you just want to copy and paste them, you can click here, Import More Than 10 Subscribers, and they'll give you two options on how you can do that. Import subscribers from a file, or enter your subscribers by copy and paste. So just follow that. Follow these 6 steps and you're good to go. Your email addresses will be then in your AWeber account. Okay, so you've created your list. You now got, let's say, a list of 100 people. You want to send them all a bulk email. Alright, so you're going to click on the Create Message. I always use the drag and drop email builder. Click here. So this brings you up to the editing tool as to where you start to craft your email. This is where you insert your subject line here. So bulk email, you put your subject line in here. You've got a few options whether you want to use the subscriber's info, like their name, first name, email address, depending on what you've gathered when they've opted into your landing page, or what kind of information you've got on that data you imported into AWeber. You can put their name, so say hey Jamie or hey Sarah. If you've got their name, you can put that up there just like that, and that'll automatically put their name in here. But I'll just delete that. But there's some options you do have there, their location. So that's the subject line here. This is where you actually write the body of your email. So I'll just grab this pre-written email. So this is where you'd write your email in here. So I believe right here That's pretty much the email written. Okay, and I always preview and test the emails before you send them out. So as you can see, it's got my email address over here. This is where it's going to send the test to. So I always recommend sending a test to your own email account to see what it looks like, both on mobile and desktop. So once you've sent a test to yourself and you're happy with that, you can then save and exit it. Or if you weren't happy, you can always press back here and go back in and edit it in the editing tool. But I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm going to save that message. Okay, then it brings you to this page. So it stores it in like a draft mode just here. As you can see, it's the first email just here. It's been created 2 minutes ago. You can always check the spam score as well. I highly recommend checking the spam score on any emails you send out, especially if you've got links in them, like affiliate links or whatever you're doing. Just check the score. Any score under 5, I believe it is good to go. It's most likely to end up in their primary email inbox and not in their spam. So you just want to check that. That's good. So you want to just click on send options here. Again, you've got the options to send a test email. You can schedule a broadcast, or you can add it to your follow-up series. I'll talk about that in another tutorial. So you want to just press schedule a broadcast. Now, broadcast is exactly what we're doing here. It's a bulk email. AWeber just calls it a broadcast. So it just shows you what you're doing, what you're just about to do. So broadcast settings, the subject line is bulk email. Do you want to share this message? You can go through that. Who should receive this message? Okay, so you want to always double check you're sending it to your right list. So current list I'm working on is the example list tutorial. You can segment the list and send it just to a few people who haven't engaged in your email in a while, or people who have clicked the link, or people who are active, or people who are not active, people who haven't opened an email, people who have opened an email. So there's a lot of different options there you can do with this part. Just by pressing edit, you can go in there and change that. You can send this immediately, or you can sort of schedule it to go out as well, depending on time zones or whenever you want that to go out. You can tag the automations as well and have that all set up. Then you can track your clicks on the website. So if you've got any links inside of the email, you can track all that, and AWeber shows you all that data and it collects it all in the one spot in the dashboard, which is really good. So then once you press send message now, to give you one more option, are you sure you want to send this broadcast? Okay, so I'm not going to send this, but that's basically the last button you push before that just goes straight out to those 100 emails or whatever your email list you just uploaded into AWeber. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big like. If it's your first time watching one of my videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I put out a lot of videos on online marketing, tutorials and strategies to help you get more leads and customers for your business. And if you do want a free trial of AWeber, make sure you go in the description, check out that free 30-day trial from AWeber. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.